Hello everyone, and welcome to this EasyEDA tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to replace components in EasyEDA Pro during circuit design. We often run into situations where a component has already been placed in the schematic, but later we realize that the model needs to be changed, or we simply want to replace it with another device that has the same footprint but a different part number. In such cases, we can use a very practical feature in EasyEDA, Replace Device. First, select the component you want to replace. Then, go to the Tool menu on the top toolbar and choose Device Manager. A replacement window will pop up. At the top, you'll see the information of the current component. On the left, all devices in the schematic are listed. If there are too many components, you can use the search bar to quickly find one by entering its designer or name. In the Target Device section, choose the new component you want to replace it with. Once you select the target device, the software will automatically compare both devices, including their footprints, pins, and parameters. In the Key Properties section, you will notice options like Keep Designer and Unique ID and Keep Current Symbol. They are usually checked by default, and it's best to keep them that way. Now, let's move to the important part, Other Properties, which determines the replacement strategy. There are a few options here. Only keep target device properties. This means all properties will follow the target device. Nothing will be merged from the current one. It's suitable when you are completely changing the component. Target first. When there are differences between the two components, the target's properties will take priority. For example, if you are replacing an SOT23 transistor with an SOPA operational amplifier, you will need to choose this option. Otherwise, the system might return old footprint and cause mismatches or even errors. Current first. In this case, the current component properties take priority when there's conflict. This option works well when you are swapping parts with the same footprint but different models. For instance, two similar transistors in identical packages. There is also an option called Keep Not Empty Value First. If you are already added custom nodes, designers, or user-defined parameters, it's a good idea to check this box. That way, your existing information won't be lost after replacement. Next, let's look at an often overlooked area, pin mapping. In this section, you can review whether the pin assignments between the old and the new components match. If they don't, you can manually adjust them, especially when replacing devices with different package paths. Once everything is verified, click Replace, and the system will automatically update the component in your schematic. If your new device has a different footprint size, you can go to the PCB editor and perform a synchronization update to make sure the schematic and PCB stay consistent. By mastering the Replace Device function, you can quickly modify or swap components without having to redraw or rewrite your circuits, significantly improving your design efficiency. It's a very useful feature, and I highly recommend practicing it in your own project to get comfortable with the workflow.